so we're going to focus on diabetes, obviously. So just a quick couple of stats, like it is out of control. And certainly in my own practice, I'm seeing about 1 or 2 a week, easy. But it's a worldwide issue. Like look at in the UK, there's since 1996, there's gone from 1.4 million to 4 million people in UK have diabetes in such a short space of time, just under 30 years. That's madness, isn't it? Right? It's absolute madness. So, and there's about 800,000 people right now in the country that are estimating that they don't know they've got diabetes. So worldwide, it's massive. Look at that, let's just say 1 in 10, huge numbers. And then look at some of the largest countries in the world. And in terms of per proportion per population, patient per, in proportion of the population, the capital is actually India. And so this is a massive issue, and it's getting worse. So like, just example of my own practice, last 12 months, we've had 218, let's just say 220 pre-diabetics. So that's your bordering diabetes. If you don't know anything about it, you've got about a 10 to 15 chance of developing diabetes within a year, and 80 new diabetics. So that's a lot of work and a lot of patients who need support.